back. My metric shop don't serve you whack. 12 to a foot, that's obsolete. Get with the tens or hit the street.
Yo, check it, I'm reppin' inches, feet and pounds, human scale measurements, most practical around. A foot's the length of your shoe, an inch your thumb width. While you calculating decimals, I'm building with the quickness. 12's divisible by 2, 3, 4, and 6. Your base 10 for me, I got better tricks. Mental math king when I'm framing up walls. You need a calculator just to measure your halls. America built this empire on imperial pride. Every road sign, every blueprint nationwide. You want us to switch, that's $1 trillion joke. While you're converting units, real builders stay woke.
It's a measurement ball, keeping score. Inches versus meters at my metric store. I won't sell to inch people, that's my creed. The whole world's a metric, that's all you need. It's a measurement wall, keeping score. Inches versus meters at my metric store. I won't sell to inch people, that's my creed.
95% of humans rock the metric way. Only 3 countries stuck in yesterday: Liberia, Myanmar, and the USA. While the rest of us progressing every single day.
Your divisibility,
please, that's antiquated thought. Base 10's elegant, precisely what we sought. Kilo, hecto, decadesis, centimilli flow. Every prefix logical, watch the knowledge grow. Even NASA switched after that orbiter crash. 99, Mars mission turned to ash. Lockheed's and pounds force, JPL read Newton's wrong. 327 million down because your system's gone. You talk infrastructure, that's a sunk cost trap. The whole scientific world uses metric, that's a fact. From sun to the ISS, medicine to trade. Your inches and your ounces, man, they're relics, I'm afraid.
No feet in my shop, no yards on my floor. You inch people always want a little more, but I'm metric certified, internationally aligned. Leave your fractions at the door or get left behind.
You crashed one rocket, we put 12 men on the moon. All Imperial calculations landed there real soon. Your human scale argument, my thumb knows an inch, my stride's a yard. My measurements don't flinch. Construction workers worldwide still rock the tape. 25.4 millimeters, man, that's landscape. You need 3 decimal places just to cut a board. I eyeball 8s and 16s, precision I can afford. Apollo used metric for the guidance computer code. Your Imperial's just the face that the public was showed. Every scientist converts your archaic display to metric for the real work every single day. That Mars orbiter, 327.6 million lost, cause your pounds met our newtons and couldn't pay the cost. September 23, 99, burned in Martian sky. Your conversion errors got that spacecraft to die. Global trade, global science,
global medical care.
All metric all the time, everywhere. You're holding on to nostalgia, I'm holding the future tight. Base 10 supremacy, I'm ending this fight.
Metric maker won't negotiate. Inch people at my door, but they're always late. The world moves on, left you behind. Metrics the future, Imperials resign. No inches served here. It's a measurement wall, keeping score. Inches versus meters at my metric store.